Hi, it's Dave Warner from Warner Epoxy here with Zach. We're going to have him make a sample piece. I already showed him once how to do it on a real easy piece. So we're going to test him out on this one. So Zach, you ready?
As ready as I'll ever be.
Alright, we're going to do 4 colors. We got 4 cups.
Okay.
We're going to do a dark brown. We're going to do a smoky beige, which is on a link below of Amazon where you can get this paint. And we're going to use bright silver metallic from Stone Coat and a silver base platinum. We're going to do mostly the beige. So we're going to put the most in that cup. And we'll add a little bit of brown, dark brown, just for a couple spots. And maybe a little more than that. Then we're going to do bright silver and silver platinum. And we'll leave a little extra in the cup just in case we need to add something for another color. Now, here's where we get really technical. We precisely add gray. We can mix that up. And then the bright silver. And this one, that's a little silver metallic. And then the beige. Don't forget to wear your mask when you're spraying paint. And as you can see, we always take safety precautions here at Warner Epoxy. And then the dark brown. Alright, mix that one up.
You want to mix this one?
Yep, go ahead. Okay, the rest is up to you.
Oh,
We'll switch
goodness.
sides here so you can get in front of the workpiece.
Alright, so what do you recommend first?
We're going to do the smoky beige first, which is this one.
Alright. How much more do I got in here?
I don't think there's quite enough in here. We want a little more.
Sounds good.
Hopefully that's enough. Is it the right color? Oh, that's a pretty good color. Alright, you ready?
Ready as I'll ever be.
Alright. So randomly dump that on the board. Say like through here and maybe through there. Make a couple blotches right on there.
Alright.
Just dump it right out. Okay, and make another one.
Alright.
Alright, now take your stick and spread it flat.
Okay.
Nope, not that. Don't scrape it all off. There you go. Just flatten it right out.
Okay, gotcha.
Just make one swipe across it. There you go. Now do the other one. Get your cup out of your way.
Alright.
Now we're going to go with one of the grays. Which one you want? You want the metallic first?
Sure.
Now dump that in between. Maybe even go over it a little bit.
Alright, alright. Okay.
Add something through there.
Alright.
Flatten that out. Just do one swipe.
Okay.
And I'll do the middle one.
Okay. And budoink. There we go. Okay.
Alright, now dump this one on there. This is the other gray.
Yellow grain?
just going to add more from this can because I know we're going to need it.
Okay.
That one empty. Go ahead and dump it on there.
You want to put the rest on here too?
Yeah, I know we're going to need it.
Okay.
Alright. Now we'll flatten that out a little bit. How's that?
Looking good.
Need more here because I don't want that much dark brown.
Okay.
Alright. Now we'll add the dark brown in any spot where you see wood. You can use the cup. You can dump it out of the cup.
Okay.
How we doing? We still got more space?
Yep.
Alright, well I'm going to add I made more beige out of the extra. I'll fill in some of these spots. Alright. I think we got enough on there now.
Alright.
Now what we're going to do is just touch wherever there's paint and wood, just to spread out that epoxy in them areas. Just to get epoxy everywhere. We got to get rid of every dry spot on here.
Alright.
Sort of fun, huh? Finger painting.
Yeah, this is fun. It's gonna look, I think it'll look cool when we get done with it.
We're going to ruin it first. We're going to do something that's just going to make it look like we messed up.
Yeah? What's that?
We're going to spray paint on the whole thing.
Oh. Is it gonna still show through afterwards?
Well, after that, then we're going to add some isopropylene alcohol with copper metallic, and we're going to get the crackle effect. We're going to make it look like granite.
Oh.
So I'm just going to rub the edges here, get all that covered. And you can keep getting the top. If we don't get the get it to flow over these edges, then it won't cover. So we just got to get it started and rub it in.
Okay.
I'll let you do that short edge on that side. Just get it to go over the edge and then rub it. And smear it all on there. How you doing over there? You getting it?
Yep. I believe so. Do you want like a thicker layer of epoxy on the side, or a
No, we just need to get it covered right now because all this is going to spread out and level as we move on.
All right.
Plus, we're out of epoxy, so it's got to spread out.
That's right.
All right. What do you think?
I think it looks interesting right now.
We think we got it all covered. Is the camera picking it up, Barbara?
Yeah.
I'm going to take one glove off here. I am going to move some of these colors. Just a little bit with a heat gun.
Alright. Spread it around a little more, make it blend better.
Well, just give it a little bit of a different effect on some of these. If you get in here, you can see what this does. Just hit it and you can just move it.
Gotcha.
We don't need to do it a lot on this piece, but I just wanted to try my new heat gun that I got on Amazon. You can get this, I have a link below. And You can get one of these heat guns yourself and you can do your own magic.
Nice.
Just makes it look more realistic, that's all. Alright, now I think I'm going to torch it once to get some of the air bubbles out.
Alright.
You want to learn how to do this, right?
Sure.
Pull the yellow thing, make sure you're not pointing on your piece. Keep it about this far from your workpiece and just go back and forth. Don't stop or you'll burn your epoxy. Perfect. Hang on. Missed a spot right there.
Yeah, I noticed that.
And right there.
There's one right there.
Alright.
You want to go through the top?
Hang on. No. Alright. 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 Go ahead and finish. Alright. Now we got our coffee metallic. Uh-oh. I don't see black spray paint. I'll be right back. Alright, got my black paint. Here we go. You ready with the spray bottle? Give it a couple squirts so you know how it comes out. Right on that plastic.
Alright.
And let's go a little finer than that.
Fine.
Try that. Try that. Try it over here. Okay. That's not what I want. Try that. That's better.
Okay.
Alright, I'm going to spray this on. And when I stop spraying, you're going to spray that on. Just squirt it all on the whole piece.
Okay.
And then you're going to see something real cool. You can bring that camera in a little closer. Alright, square it on that whole piece.
More?
There you go, that's good. Watch that work. Watch that all separate. It getting cool? And then if we get places like, we're not going to do it yet, but places like these bigger rings, we might have to touch them and break that surface area.
Gotcha. Well.
Yeah, starting to come to life here.
Looking good?
Well, here we are. I got Zach's first time doing the epoxy, so what do you think?
I think it's pretty cool. I mean, you can definitely tell. It looks pretty neat, even though we didn't do much to it.
What was your best part? What was your favorite part?
I really liked when you spray painted it black and you added the alcohol with the coffee in it.
Yeah. Personally, I think we added a little bit too much coffee. We wanted a lighter piece in this, so me and you are going to make another one. A little bit smaller sample, so we're going to start over because I think the customer's going to want it lighter. So we're going to make another one.
All right.
You want to do it or you want me to do it?
We can both do it.
We're going to do it together?
Yeah.
All right. Don't forget, like this video and subscribe, ring the bell so you get notifications when the new video comes out that Zach's going to help me with. Talk to you later.